We're back with another Walt Disney World 50th anniversary Funko Pop unboxing. Today we have a lot of special Funkos to show you. Let's start with the Boxlunch Exclusive. This is Funko Pop number 1105, and this is the Pirates of the Caribbean dog, but the Boxlunch Exclusive is flocked. So now we have both of them. This Funko Pop was released in store on March 8th, and subsequently in the following days it was released on their website. The original retail price was $14.90. However, with my Boxlunch reward points, I was able to get it for $11.27. The next item I have is from Funko.com. All of these Funkos I had originally pre-ordered on Amazon.com when they were initially announced. However, because all of my Amazon orders weren't going to be released until like middle of April, I decided that I was going to change my order to Funko.com because they said in stock now, ready to order. With that said, let's get it open and see what we got. I like that Funko usually puts their Funkos either in an individual box or a safety container so it's not going to get dented in the mail. Let's start with the big one. The first Funko we have is PhilharMagic Mickey Mouse. The original release date on Amazon was April 14th. However, thanks to my brother, he said, you know, it's on Funko.com right now, why don't you go ahead and order it and you can get it? My initial thought was, well, when I place the order, it's going to tell me, well, this is just a pre-order and you're still not going to get it till April, because that has happened before. So I hesitated, and because I saw something else pop up, which we'll go over later, I went ahead and just changed all my order to Funko.com. So instead of getting all of these on April 14th, I was able to order them on March 4th and receive them on March 15th. That's a whole month before I'm supposed to get any of this stuff. Funko Pop number 2. This is the first of the People Mover Funkos. This is Pluto on the People Mover number 1164. The next one I have is Minnie Mouse on the People Mover number 1166. So here are the three Funkos that we got in the first protective container. Now let's go to the second protective container. The last of the 50th anniversary Funkos that I have, this is the Funko.com exclusive Stitch in the People Mover. This particular Funko was slightly more expensive than the other People Movers because, you know, it's the store exclusive. Just like the Boxlunch exclusive was almost $15, this one was also $15 versus the $12 that all the other People Movers cost. This was released on March 4th. We saw it come in on Instagram, then my brother texted me, said, did you see this? And I was like, yep, already ordered, ready to go. I absolutely love the People Mover. For Teia and I, this is our all-time favorite ride, I think, at the Disney parks. Whenever we do all the brackets, it always wins. I was so excited when Funko announced that the Walt Disney World Funkos were going to be the characters on the People Mover, as opposed to the Disneyland train that they did last year, where they were literally on the train and each car was a different character. These ones were the People Mover, and they all connect together. So currently our 50th anniversary Funko collection is, we have all of the Wave 1 Funkos, and now we have 5 of the Wave 2 Funkos. Now we're just waiting for the rest of our Wave 2 Funkos. Have you been collecting all of the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary Funko Pops? How many have you gotten? Which ones are your favorite? Do you like the Wave 1 collection or the Wave 2 collection better? Put it in the comments below. I look forward to seeing what you have in your collection and what you like to collect. But until next time, remember, no capes.